Are you looking for a headless CMS? We've got Strapi, we've got Payload, and they're two of the best options. But which one's better for your project? Let's break it down fast. Strapi is an open source built with Node.js and super flexible. You get a clean admin panel, auto-generated REST, and GraphQL APIs, and easy integration with just about anything. Why devs love it is that it's quick to set up and a huge plugin ecosystem, custom roles, permissions, and internalization right out of the box. Payload is also built with Node.js, but it's more of a developer-first CMS. Instead of GUIs and plugins, you configure everything in code, giving you full control, better performance, and no vendor lock-in. Why it stands out is because it has no database required out of the box. It's got TypeScript support built in and fully self-hosted, highly customizable. Here's the short version. Want ease of use and rich UI, go with Strapi for sure. And you want developer control and cleaner code base, go with Payload. Both are great. Your choice depends on your workflow. Strapi lets you build content models through the UI. Great for teams and non-devs. Payload needs a dev's touch, but gives you structure, types, and speed. Strapi is UI-driven, plug-and-play, great for content teams, and Payload is code-driven, high-performance, great for dev teams. Pick the one that matches your stack and your team. Did you find this helpful? If you did, please subscribe for more head-to-head breakdowns that skip all of the fluff. And I'll catch you in the next one.